Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, we'll talk about umbilical cord care in newborn babies. Umbilical cord connects fetus to mom in the womb. Now, this helps transfer nutrients and oxygen to baby. Post delivery, this is not needed, hence it is cut off, and do not worry, there is no nerve in umbilical cord and it would not be a problem to your child. Now, post it is cut, there is 2 to 3 centimeters of stump which is left out, and then it is stamped. This is called as umbilical cord stump. Now, anything in a newborn is a worry. Most of the time we will be worrying like, is this really my child? How do I take care of my child now? How do I breastfeed? Being in a nuclear family, everything is a worry. Now, I'll tell you a few simple things about this, how to take care and other things. So, I'm sure you will like the video. Please do consider clicking on that like button. Now, when will this fall off? Between 7 to 15 days, sometimes around 12 days, this can fall off. It may take a little longer or lesser time, so do not worry. Initially, it would be yellowish in color, then it would turn green, then brown, and then black while it falls off. After it falls off, you can see there some blood tinge, brownish color for a while, and it will also stay for a week or two. So, this is the general process. Now, I am going to tell you how to take care of it. While the stump is still there, umbilical cord stump care is very much needed. At first, you should ensure that keep surroundings as much as dry so that it dries soon and falls off soon, and there is less of a worry in dressing up the baby and other things. Ensure that you do not oil your child around that area, and cream, powder, everything should be avoided. Even bathing is well done if you give a sponge bath in earlier days. You must have noticed there are so many recommendations these days not to give bath during early days, at least 2 to 3 days to the newborn, because the skin is so delicate and they are still adapting. So at most it is sponge bath which is recommended. So please do not have a malish wali in the initial days and make her rub your child a lot. And also the oil which can get in can cause a lot of infection. So that is very much needed, and loose fitted clothes are good for your child because that area needs to dry up soon. Now, if it is winter, it is cold and you need to cover up the child, at least keep that area opened a bit so that it dries up soon. That's the ultimatum now if you want to ensure that is taken care well and there is no issue. And we Indians have this habit of buying everything of one size bigger. Now, if you are buying a diaper which is bigger in size, please ensure that you fold it, roll it in front, and it is not touching the navel, and continuously check on potty if the baby's done it, and while cleaning or any time it should not get dirty. Now, that area needs to be hygienic and clean at most. And last but not the least, we all have a habit that when you are in worry of something, you want to get rid of it at first. So please do not pull, do not keep watching, touching it all the time. Let it fall off on its own. Now, when to visit the doctor? What are the signs that it is something that needs to be taken care of? At first, if it is not fallen off even after 4 weeks, if you find yellowish fluid around it, and if it smells bad, or the baby is feeling uncomfort when you touch the area around it, if it is red in color or you see swelling, then utmost care is needed and you will have to check with the doctor. And if baby cries when you touch the skin on it or around it, and if baby develops fever, is feeding less, or you really feel there is some problem due to that, due to umbilical cord stump, then immediately checking with doctor is important. So last but not the least, I would say let us be a stress-free parent. Let us know the actuals. Let us know when we need to worry, because with a newborn, it is very common for us to worry on every single thing. So videos like these can give you basic understanding of how to take care, and I am stressing on it that this is not an alternative to what doctor says, but this is just basic knowledge. So if you are in fear, if you see something which needs utmost care, then please visit doctor. Otherwise, these basic information can help you stay strong and worry less. And on this channel, there are a lot of videos like this about baby care, baby food recipes, baby food chart, and many other things which a new parent can find helpful. So do consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.